Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever wondered how to enable Hibernate mode on Windows 11 or debated whether you should use Hibernate instead of Sleep mode, you're in the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to enable Hibernate mode and explain the differences between Sleep and Hibernate to help you decide which one suits your needs. Let's dive in. Hibernate mode is a power-saving state designed to save your session to your hard drive and completely power down your computer. Unlike sleep mode, which keeps your session in memory and uses a small amount of power, Hibernate uses zero power once your computer is off. It's perfect for when you're stepping away for an extended period but want to resume work exactly where you left off. All right, let me show you how to enable Hibernate mode on your Windows 11 device. Follow these steps closely. First, click on the Start menu, type Control Panel, and select it from the results. Next, click on Hardware and Sound, then go to Power Options. You'll notice the Hibernate option at the bottom, but it's likely grayed out or unchecked. To enable it, click on Change Settings that are currently unavailable to access and modify the grayed out or unchecked settings. Tick the box next to the Hibernate setting and click Save Changes. Now, when you click the Start menu and the power icon, you'll see Hibernate as an option. If you can't see the Hibernate option in the Power Options menu, the hibernation file is likely missing from Windows 11. Open a command prompt and run this command. This command reactivates Hibernate mode. If it was previously disabled, it creates a Hibernate system file on the system drive, usually C, which is used to store the memory data. When the computer enters Hibernate mode, the system settings and power options are updated to allow Hibernate mode. You can then manually activate Hibernate or add it to the power menu. Also run this command. The command is used to configure the type of hibernation file that Windows uses. This command specifically sets the hibernation file to full mode, enabling all features of hibernation. So, should you use Hibernate or Sleep mode? If you're stepping away for a few minutes to a couple of hours, Sleep mode is more convenient, but if you're taking a break for several hours or even days, Hibernate is the better option to conserve power. And that's it. Now you know how to enable Hibernate mode on Windows 11 and when to use it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.